G'day guys, Brett here from Ghost Finds. We're going to do something that's called unboxing. Apparently it's a trendy new thing, but we'll see what we've got in our new mix pack. So we're pretty excited. We've got a couple of new additions. We've got the new Riesling that we're talking about, and this one will sell for, believe it or not, 25 years. So that's a beautiful bottle there. And our standard Clare Shiraz. It's 2014, so it's got a good bit of age on it. And this is our new Pinot Noir, so that's from the Adelaide Hills. And classic, normally retails for $35, but you guys obviously are not going to pay that much for it. And then we've got another layer of our wine. Then we've got the Adelaide Hills Rosé, beautiful rosé, very popular. And classic Pinot Gris from the Clare Valley. And lucky last, our most popular Adelaide Hills Sauv B. So that's what we get, and that's $210 worth of value with that, and you're getting it for $99. It's a bit of a special that we got on, but it gets even better than that because at the moment we've got a 2-for-1 deal where you can buy any of our range, buy 2 of them, and you'll get the one for free. So you could buy 2 of those for $99 each and get the next one for free. Absolute bargain. But if you're worried about the money, there's even better news as well, is that we've got Afterpay, so you can just pay in 4 easy installments, and that's no cost to you guys, so you pay exactly the same. Thanks for your time today, and have a good one. Bye.